Hey guys, Jackie at Cruise in the Sierra Farm. So today I'm here to talk to you about garlic scapes. And if you don't know what those are, perfect. If you already know, well, then you might not need this video. But this is for the ones that don't know what a garlic scape is. So most plants, when they are at the end of the growing season, nature is amazing. So when it knows it's going to die for winter or whatever, it will take all of its energy and push up flower stalks or flowers, and then those flowers will have seeds on them so that, again, the following year they can grow again, whether it be them dropping their seeds or somebody collecting those seeds. So garlic is no different. And whereas many of us grow our garlic from cloves, you can also grow them by seed. Now, a garlic scape is what happens when it gets closer to the end of its growing season. It will shoot off these cute little curly-Q things that have a part of it is like bulbous, where that actually becomes a flower. And then the seeds come within the flower. But for us to get really nice garlic cloves, we want to cut those off. So that sends a message to the plant. Stop putting energy into reproducing and put the energy into growing either more cloves on that pod or larger cloves on that pod. I hope you can hear me over the rooster. So you want to let those garlic scapes get to where they're taller than the garlic plant themselves. And when they get to that point, go ahead and cut them off. And then that will force the energy into growing more or larger cloves. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what the garlic scape looks like, and then talk to you a little bit more. All right, so here is a garlic scape. It is pretty small so far. So see how it kind of has a curve to it? At some point, these will pretty much have a loop. So, and as you can see, they're not taller than the leaves. You want to wait until they get bigger than the plant. So here's one a little bit bigger, but still not taller than the plant. Here's a bigger one right behind it. So these will get tall, and then they'll kind of have like a curly-Q shape on them. Now, so those that have never grown garlic, after you've cut the garlic scapes off, you're gonna wait. Now, don't mind the little tips that might turn brown. That's not a sign that they're ready. The sign that they're ready is when the first 2 layers of leaves at the bottom. So it would be, see this leaf, this leaf, this leaf, and this leaf. If they were all to turn brown, that's when you know that they're roughly ready to be harvested. So that's what you keep an eye on, the bottom leaves, the bottom 2 layers of leaves. What are you seeing there, Jess? Does it smell good? Well, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please share it with others. And thank you for coming along on my journey of homesteading on my little acre. So y'all take care, and we'll see you on the next video. If you go in the playlist of the garden stuff, so growing your own food has never been more important, I think is the name of the playlist. You will find videos from last year on harvesting your garlic and braiding your garlic. I braided the onions. So basically harvesting it and laying it out to cure. So you can go watch those from last year, and I hope you have a fantastic day.